Hello my crochet friends, this is Lady Jana and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about miniature houses, how to build it. I saw this on Temu. You can also get this on Amazon at temu.ca, amazon.ca. The cost on Temu, this was $30 plus tax, and on Amazon, $35 plus tax. There's 4 models in total. The one that I ordered on Amazon is the Warm House, and the one that I ordered on Temu is Romantic Castle. I have not ordered the other two, not yet anyways, because I want to see what it comes with, if it's doable. For this video, there will not be a crochet anything. It's going to be building miniature homes or miniature houses. Let's look inside. Looking inside, this is the house we're going to be doing, a warm house. It comes with an instruction booklet. This is the back of the booklet. You see how the house can open? Looks like it comes with lights as well. This is something I did not realize when I ordered this. There are tips. I'm going to read this. And this is the step-by-step instructions. There's quite a few pages. It does look a little bit complicated. However, I have done something like this in the past. They were not houses, but rooms. But we'll see how this goes. So we've got a little package. We've got greenery. I'll open this up. We have some kind of glue. It's not written in English, so I'm going to be using Google Translate to translate this. There's 2 of these. And then there's this. It says white latex, so I assume this is paint. We do have a paintbrush. And we have these little templates. And what is this? Oh, okay, so this is also templates. This looks like little books that we'll need to build. I do want to show you what's inside this package. And it's a Ziploc, so you can store everything inside after. So this is our greenery, our plants. Oh, these are our lights. Perfect. A little sandpaper. There's a little switch. Those are our wooden pieces. Nice. A little staircase right here. So we have some other wood pieces. Little beads. Cutouts. You've got your windows and everything else. Okay, so this is our little hinges. And these I think are for our mirrors and other accessories we are going to need to build this. Oh, this looks like a brick. This looks like the top of the house, the roof. And also a little bit more beading and other accessories, decorations. Now, I have not noticed if the instructions were in English. Let's take a look at the instructions. I just want to make sure they're written in English. Cardboard, the pieces are in English, so these are all of the pieces we're going to need. There's a list of what we just received. And if I take a look, yes. This is in English. Looks like it's written pretty good. So I will have to do this. I'm going to start it and then I'll give you a little preview as I go along. I'm not going to do a tutorial or a step-by-step. I've been working on this project for about 12 hours. This is what I've done since. This is one of the facade. See how cute that is? And all of the little details you have to make. Little plants, the hinges. Also have this one here where you see a little stool and a little book, and these are little pillows, and again some hinges right there. And this is part of a wall, an inner wall. There are going to be little lights. I have not tested the lights. I was supposed to test the lights before placing the lights in, but I have not tested it yet. So yeah. And what's this? So, and you have to glue everything. So it does take time because you have to let the glue dry before continuing. but it's getting there. I mean, this takes quite a long time, but I do love making these. So if you can purchase them on Temu or Amazon. See a little roof, little part of the roof, and the hinges. See the little roof with a little light. Some more of these, and I think that's the second story. There's a light right there, and there's a little fixture that comes right here because it goes like this. Oops. And you've got your little staircase. There's all sorts of stuff in there, includes your little staircase, another little, not sure, that goes on the roof. See how that's cute, and other stuff. Little mirror right there, and this goes into the bathroom. I'm thinking it's part of the shower, and this is the toilet. Look how small that is. I mean, I absolutely love this. So I'm going to continue working on this. Once I am done, I'm show you the house fully assembled. I'm not going to do a how-to step-by-step video because I don't have time. It takes too long of a time to actually do. I'm going to be working on this. It does take a long time to make, but I definitely enjoy it. I finally completed the miniature house. This is the side. We've got our back. This is to turn off and on the lights. It does light up. I'll show you later after. You can open it, open the roof, and also open both of the sides. And look how pretty this is. This is a real challenge. You have to take your time. It's very, very tiny. You have got to take your time. Let's go ahead and turn on the light and show you with the light on. And this is the little house with a light on. It's not perfect, but I love it, love it, love it. It's very tiny. You've got to take your time. There's no rush to do these things. And yeah, so this is the first of several of my little houses. I've got 5 more to do. There's one thing that I wanted to mention is this. This is homemade glue. I think the glue froze and it did not work. I had to use my own glue. That's the only downside of this kit. I hope they enjoyed this review. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye.